I'm with Alex, and Alex can make noises with his mouth. Show what kind of noises you can make. Go. Okay, get closer now to the camera and show how you do it with your lips. Do the other noise. Now, Alex, you can do things with your tongue too, can't you?
Yes.
Do that. And you can twist your tongue around in different. Oh, 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 oh. Get closer. Let's show. Now, Alex, I can do this, and I can make this noise. Can you do that? No? You can't do this?
Yes.
Try it. No. I can't do that. I can't do your whistle. So we each have different talents, don't we?
Yeah.
I can twist my tongue around. Can you?
Yeah.
You can do that. So some things we both can do, but some things only you can do and only I can do.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Alex, very much. This was very, very interesting. No. Okay.
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hi.
We'll be viral now, won't we, Alex? You and me
Yes.
all over the internet.
All of it.
Okay.
Hi.
Bye.
Everybody. Bye.
Bye bye. Huh?
Bye.
Huh?